How to delete your Monopoly Go account. Decided to step away from Monopoly Go? Here's how to delete your account and erase your data permanently in the right way. First, launch the Monopoly Go and tap on this menu in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Manage Account to access the account actions. Now here you can see Account Deletion. Tap on it, then follow the prompts. You will be asked to confirm your decision. Now tap on Delete my account. Now you can just tap on Go to Chat. Now you can write your message, delete my account, and send it. The deletion process can take some time while the data is removed from their servers, so you can just go back and uninstall the app like this. Just remove app and tap on Delete app and confirm it by tapping on Delete again. And that's it. That's how you delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.